Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest money management tips. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from PayPal to Stc Pay in 2025. If you're dealing with international payments or just want to move funds seamlessly, this guide is for you. By the end, you'll be transferring like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both a verified PayPal account and an Stc Pay account. Stc Pay is a popular mobile wallet in Saudi Arabia, perfect for quick transactions. Always double-check that your accounts are linked to your bank for smooth transfers. Step 1. Open your PayPal app or website and log in securely. Head to the Wallet or Transfer section. Look for the option that says Withdraw or Transfer Funds. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Select your withdrawal method. In 2025, PayPal has improved integrations, so if Stc Pay is available as a direct option, choose it. If not, you'll need to withdraw to your linked bank account first. Pro tip: ensure your bank is connected to Stc Pay to avoid extra steps. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check for any fees. PayPal might charge a small amount, and Stc Pay could have its own limits based on your account tier. Once entered, review the details and hit Confirm. You'll get a verification code via email or SMS for security. Step 4. After the transfer from PayPal, log into your Stc Pay app. If you withdrew to your bank, go to the Add Funds or Transfer In section in Stc Pay and link your bank account. The funds should appear within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. A quick heads up: always monitor exchange rates if dealing with different currencies, as 2025 brings new regulations for international transfers. If you run into issues, contact PayPal or Stc Pay support. They're usually super helpful. There you have it, you've just learned how to transfer money from PayPal to Stc Pay. It's easier than ever in 2025. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.